Can AI really make you money? I put 5 free tools to the test for 7 days and walked away with over $500. Here's exactly what I used, and how you can too. First up, ChatGPT. I used it to write YouTube scripts, product descriptions, and even helped people with their resumes. It's the ultimate money-making co-pilot. Just prompt, polish, and sell. Next, Notion AI. It helped automate my budgeting, daily planning, and client outreach, all in one workspace. This saved me hours, which I turned into money-making time. Durable AI builds websites in 30 seconds. I created a site for a digital service, shared it on Reddit and Twitter, and landed 2 clients. No code, no design skills needed. Copy.ai is a writing machine. I used it to generate social media posts and ad copy for small businesses. It's fast, and people will pay for speed. Finally, OpusClip. I took long videos and turned them into short viral clips with AI captions and zooms. Clients loved it, and I made easy cash. So in just 7 days, these 5 AI tools helped me earn over $500 with no inventory, no hard selling, and barely any overhead. This is just the beginning of how AI is changing the money game. Subscribe to Byte to Bank if you want more weekly tips on using tech to grow income the smart way. And don't forget to comment below, which tool are you going to try first?